get him. That's wonderful.
Yes.
I don't know where's he.
Well, you don't know where he is.
Mom, no.
You got junk? Get your dumpster. Then contact Red Time Woods to fill it.